Welcome to Style in Motion. Welcome back to the Black Tape Project, the second part of the stunning body art at Miami Swim Week. This time, we're diving deeper into the world of body art that's full of creativity, where every curve of the body is adorned with elegant black tape. This video showcases dynamic movements presented in slow motion, giving more attention to the beautiful and artistic details of each gesture. Here, black tape is not just a fashion accessory, but a powerful medium for expressing creativity and the beauty of the human body. Every model featured with the precise tape wrap not only displays their body's curves but also introduces an incredible visual art concept. The black tape is used thoughtfully to form striking patterns, creating a modern and mysterious impression that remains both aesthetic and respectful. Through these graceful body movements, we aim to show that body art is not just about physical beauty, but about how we honor and celebrate the form of the body in an elegant and meaningful way. The slow motion effect adds depth to each moment, allowing you to truly appreciate the details and composition formed by the tape. The concept behind Black Tape Project is to showcase the diversity of human expression through an unconventional medium. This tape wrap unites fashion, art, and body beauty in a fresh and innovative way. By combining smooth movements and carefully planned tape designs, we aim to present a different side of the fashion world. One that is more expressive, innovative, and certainly respectful of the human form. We hope this video inspires you and opens up new perspectives on body art and fashion, showing how creativity can flourish without crossing boundaries of respect. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more of the Black Tape Project and its continued celebration of meaningful and beautiful body art.